Hello everyone, I hope you're doing good. This is how I'm doing it, letting them outside to get the early worms, as it said, letting them get some greens. They do well, they grow big within a shorter time because they are given freedom. They're on a free range, then they are kept at night or they are housed at night. Then during daytime they are left outside to have some greens, to eat some worms, insects. Then after, they are given maize bran, as it is seen. This is where they do the eating from, and they're enjoying it very well. These are turkeys. You have different types of birds. You have different birds. You have turkeys. You have hens. They're all doing well. They're doing well. So don't forget to subscribe to learn more about urban farming, urban gardens, landscaping, garden settings, and so many others in agriculture or agribusiness. Thank you very much.